Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the string.split method. So what it does is split the string object into a object. If you don't know, just check in my JavaScript tutorial. So into array of string by separating the string into a substring using a specified operator and changing to a array. So now what we're gonna do is just create a variable called str, sort for string, and lorem. If you don't know what that is, it's gonna give you a bunch of throw strings if you enter it. And now what we're gonna do is str dot split, and now what we're gonna do is pass a space. So it's gonna check in space everywhere, and try to find anything. If it gonna get that, it gonna get and returns the arrays. That means it gonna change it array to everyone, like this one, and this one, like that. So what we need to do is we need to paste inside those word, not world, words, and equals to that. After that, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, words, and not worlds again. And when we do that, it's gonna give you all a bunch of strings. And for a specific, if you want, you can take it by like this, 7th, it gonna returns you the 7th one. I mean, here it's 8th one, but 7. So this is what it does. I hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.